Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have to share with you guys, I have found my favorite pair of leggings.
I have tried quite a few pairs of faux leather leggings, and these by Leggings Depot are absolutely my favorite. That faux leather is so buttery soft, and they are super, super comfy and stretchy, which is exactly what I want in a pair of leggings. I have them here in a size medium, which I usually am a size medium in leggings, medium to small. So I find that these do fit accurately. I love that they have that lining inside of them, and I love how thick the waistband is as well. So it sits high-waisted and very comfy. I think that these look adorable if I'm wearing them with an oversized t-shirt or wearing them for a night out. They are super fun while also not sacrificing comfort in any way.
If you are looking for a pair of leggings that are faux leather, that are going to be comfortable and super, super cute and versatile, I highly recommend checking out these. But that's just my point of view.